Hi, today I will be showing you how to recover deleted files on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So the first method that I'm going to show you is just so easy. You just have to go to your recycle bin. You can search recycle bin right here, or you can go to your desktop and look for recycle bin. So basically what you're going to do here is you need to open your recycle bin. You just have to double click the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Now what you're going to do next is you have to find your deleted file. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar in the top right corner, and then right click the file you want to recover, select restore, then your file will be returned to the original folder. The second method here is just simply go to your control panel, open control panel right here. And then here what you're going to do is you have to go to system and security. Now scroll down and then look for file history. Unfortunately, I have turned this one off, but it's a great idea if you turn on your file history in Windows. This is a smart way to automatically back up your personal files, so if anything gets deleted or changed, you can easily restore previous versions, and you can see it right here. The third and the last method is by using third-party application or platform. Here you have to go to this website and then download this CC Cleaner. Once done, you can go to your download folder and then you need to run this as administrator. Tap this to download manually. Now, once done, open your download folder. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to run this as administrator, or you can just basically double click or double tap this one. Wait for a couple of seconds till you see a small box right here. And then what you're going to do is you just have to basically click on the install button. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Okay, and then as you can see here, tap next. Now you have to select or tap the file that you want to recover. So you can basically select pictures or whatever you want here, like documents and so on. After that, tap on the next button right here. And then what you're going to do next is tap start. Then you have to wait as it is scanning drive for deleted files right here. Once done, you will see some deleted files that you want to recover. So you can select that specific file. And after that, you just have to simply tap recover and then select for location, tap yes, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.